left petrified forest, as you noticed. I forgot to say bye, but I see a thing on a map called Window Rock. Wow, this road looks all crazy. Anyway, Window Rock, we're gonna go try to find it. Picture of it looked pretty cool. I don't really know what we're gonna see, but this here turned out pretty awesome.
It's awesome.
It's just scenic along the highway that we're driving on. Anywho, oh wow, that's like really nice. Really pretty cool. Anyhow, I'm gonna pause it. We're gonna go see if we can find this Window Rock. Here's what we see. But I'll do my best to show it. Yeah, it is pretty neat how the whole thing's curved. It's almost like a jawbreaker's been broke open. Yep. Weird way to describe it, but you gotta watch for cows. Yeah, that's pretty neat.
It's really cool.
I'm actually glad we turned. Even if we don't find this rock we're looking for, I'm glad we decided to make this turn. So, oh, here comes the wind. Why wouldn't it? So anyway, we was traveling down the interstate. We've seen a sign that said Window Rock. Some of y'all might have been here before. I haven't. The drive here was just pretty neat. It's right off Interstate 40, probably, well, I say right off. It's probably like 24, 25 miles. But the drive was worth it. Very scenic. Mountain ranges, like sandstone in different colors. And then you come to the town of Window Rock, which I'm assuming it's named after this right here. Which is, it looks small maybe on here, but it's huge. Like half that mountain is, you know, I guess what they're calling a window, but has a few statues and stuff. We'll go up there and check that out in a minute. I'm hiding right here between the camper and the van to get out some of this wind, but anyhow, I'll pause it and we'll walk up there and check it out. Oh. Pretty neat. Alrighty. There's like a wall over there. I'm pretty sure it's going to be the people from this town. It's like a, it's kind of like the Vietnam Wall, except it's probably just the people from this area or county or something.
We're in Navajo.
Yeah, yeah. I'm going to go up here and pet this rabbit dog real quick. No, poor fella. It's pretty neat. This is about as close as we're gonna get to it, looks like. It's pretty massive, ain't it?
It is huge.
Huh.
It's as tall as any tall building in my town.
Oh yeah, most definitely. Okay.
New channel. That's what she said.
Hmm. It's another day. It's a different day than it was yesterday. Anyway, we stopped at another place to get her passport book stamp. Where are we at?
We are in Grants, New Mexico.
Well, while she was stamping, I noticed the first time I've seen it, y'all might have seen it, it's the first time I've seen it, you can get passport type deal on your phone.
Gracious.
You can search and it tells you about the parks and I guess where they're at and you know, stuff like that, which is pretty neat. I'm gonna check that out.
Here we go, now Southwest. Got him.
So
Waymo.
What is this park?
El Malpais National Monument. And then they had a couple different stamps, so I got all three.
Cool. And the inside's your typical little visitor center type thing, but we're gonna check the area out. Probably go outside. It's a really windy day. We're trying not to travel today because it's really super windy.
Hi.
Really super windy, so we're going to try not to travel today. We're going to hang out here. And then we're going to camp at the Walmart RV park. I see a train. Woo woo!
Well, there's two of them.
Is there? Oh, there is. They're fixing to hit each other. Head on. Woo woo! Oh no. Oh no! No! Oh, they passed each other. Okay. So, since today wasn't a very good travel day, as I mentioned earlier, it's windy. It actually turned out to be quite sunny and pretty, to be honest. It was cloudy and gloomy and nasty. We decided to stay at the Walmart RV park slash truck stop. Oh, sorry guys, way too much wind over here. Anyway, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, probably about 9 semis parked over here, like the one we stayed at last night. Yeah. You could definitely RV friendly at these Walmarts, definitely. But we got a pretty good view. We're parked on the side lot here. Like the store's like over there, on the side of the lot. So we get all this. At least we're not staring at billboards and you know whatnot. But anyhow, I'm gonna end this one for the day. And we're getting out and doing stuff tomorrow?
Yes. Okay,
she don't feel good. I'm fat and lazy. We just ate a big buffet, so I think I'm gonna end this one for the day. We'll come back tomorrow. Bye. Today is a new day, new travel day. We're going to drive over a choo-choo train. But look at this awesome view. We're in New Mexico.
New Mexico.
Probably about 45 miles, 50 miles from Albuquerque. Awesome view. That rear view mirror dot's still on the screen, I know. There's a choo-choo train. Okay. Bye-bye. So where do we wind up stopping at?
We just made it to Petroglyph National Monument. It's in Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Albuquerque, New Mexico.
Albuquerque. It feels fantastic out here too.
Yep. Super sunny.
Yeah.
The lot's kind of small, but I feel like you can get, unless it's a super busy day, you can get pretty much anything in here because we're parked right there. Anywho, look like he's gonna have some good walking trails probably because they got all these bushes and stuff labeled. And what's the measuring lady? I don't know. Dr. Sophie something, I noted. We'll read that later. She wants to go and get her stamp. So we're fixing to do a trail. We're in New Mexico, Albuquerque, at a national park.
National Monument.
National Monument. We're gonna do a walking trail.
Yeah.
I guess we gotta go through these pieces of wood here, and then we start the trail. Sandy, I don't think it's wheelchair friendly because I see no way to get through here. Yeah.
It's dog friendly.
Yeah. I don't understand this right. I guess to keep bicycles off of it. Dog mounting area. All dogs must be on a leash. Pick up dog waste. Bunch of rules. Pretty much can't do nothing but walk and have your dog with you. So.
Behave is what it's saying. Behave.
Yeah. So what are we going out here to see?
Petroglyphs. Petroglyphs. There should be over 300 of them, but you got to get 3/4 of a mile in to start seeing them.
So right now it's just kind of flat. I mean, you can see it's just flat. And are we gonna clear these hills though?
Yeah, but it doesn't really. This is a very easy. It's an easy hike.
Yeah.
2.2 miles loop.
Somebody's had a stroller here. I can see the tracks. So I guess once you get past that little entrance gate, you can bring a kid, you know, small child in a stroller. But I'll be back when we get to something a little more interesting. We're still walking on the trail. She said we've walked 0.65, so that's halfway.
Yeah, a little less than half.
We haven't seen very many, I'm gonna call them pictures because I can't pronounce the word, but petroglyphs. I think what we've seen probably 5.
Yeah.
But anyhow, I'm not disappointed. It's a beautiful day to walk. Pretty scenic. Sun shining. It says it's gonna be like 50-something degrees today, but I think it's warmer than that.
It feels perfect.
Because I'm in my, yes. Yeah, I know that's all I ever wear, but I'm actually still hot though. So, we're gonna continue walking this trail down through here. I think I've seen people walking over there, so I'm assuming it goes that way. And if you see something cool, we'll come back. Maybe, sort of, kind of, I don't know. Might. Found graffiti from 1919. But anyway, that's not what I'm gonna show you. We actually found some pictures. That's religious symbols, it said.
Yeah.
And then, if I can find it through the viewfinder, right? Yeah, there it is. There's a guy, or I guess it's a guy. There's a foot. And she found water right there. See the water. Alrighty, you sure it's not a snake?
Well, I don't know. I feel like I've seen it before, and those zigzags are always water.
So what are we doing?
Hanging out in the parking lot.
We're boondogging, or whatever you want to call it, in the Lowe's parking lot. Got free Wi-Fi, but we're not using it. But what we are doing, since there's plenty of sunshine, we're watching TV with 66 channels. Woo! She's making pea porridge, and we're just hanging out. I think we're going to just chill for the day, or maybe go for a walk because it's late in the day. We took it out hike this morning though.
Yeah, we did a couple miles.
And then tomorrow we're going to do museums. What was it?
The nature museums.
Oh, okay.
Nature museums, and they're just old
town. Old town. That's what I'm talking about.
Albuquerque.
Okay, I'm gonna sit here and flip through channels. Bye. Hello.
Bye.
Bye.